everybody, welcome to the 12 Days of Making. This is Christiana. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of my favorite kits that come from Universal Yarn. So what we have here are, this is part of the 12 Days of Winter collection, which they release a new collection every year. And this is the Snow Day hat and mittens. And let me get that. Isn't that pattern cool? I love that snowflake in the hat. And then of course it's kind of covered by the yarn there, but there are the little mittens right there. So this guy is $31.99 and it comes with enough yarn to make both the hat and the mitts. The good thing about Universal is when they make these kits, they're usually incredibly generous with the amount of yarn they put in here. So you should have more than enough to complete both the hat and the mitts with this guy. So this uses the Deluxe DK Super Wash, which is 100% superwash wool, and it is a DK weight. So the kit comes with enough yarn for the hat and mitts and the printed pattern. So again, that is $31.99. And then this is also part of their 12 Days of Winter collection. This is the Inkberry shawl, and this shawl is a very lovely mulberry color and teal color, very deep and dark, nice jewel tones on it. And these are all knitted projects. So this kit is $74.99 and it comes with the printed pattern and all the yarn you need to make the shawl. And this yarn is called Donina, and it is 100% extra fine merino superwash wool. And I don't have the exact measurements of the shawl, but looking at the pictures, it is very generous. It's a nice big wrap yourself up, get warm kind of shawl in there. It's a pretty simple lace stitch, so this would be a good introduction to lace knitting if you have not yet done lace knitting. And the last kit I want to show you is this adorable bunny rabbit called Coco. Coco is $37.99 and it comes with the printed pattern and the yarn that you need to make Coco. So it looks like you've got the yarn in here for the eyes and the nose embroidery as well. Isn't Coco adorable? So Coco is normally $37.99 and this uses the Uptown Worsted by Universal Yarn. Trying to find the fiber content on here. They seem to have buried it from me. It is 100% anti-pilling acrylic. And acrylic is actually fantastic yarn for making knitted critters out of, or crochet critters, because of the ease of care, especially if you are making these for children. So this guy again is normally $37.99, but these three kits are going to be on sale for 10% off using the code that's either in the email or on the comments in Facebook. And so you're probably all wondering what our Santa special is for today. So our Santa special is a shop favorite. This is Summer Silk by Coco. And this guy is 45% silk, 43% cotton, and 12% nylon. And under normal circumstances, these guys are $16.95 per ball. And there are 240 yards per ball. And I just grabbed a couple of colors that we have in stock. And this is wonderful yarn. It's kind of a knitted yarn, so you can see the little stitching in there. It's great for spring and summertime projects. I know that we're in the middle of winter, but it's never too early to start thinking about your upcoming season knits and crochet projects. So the summer silk is fantastic for any sort of project, whether it's knit, crochet, whether it's a garment or accessory. So just to show you what you can accomplish with summer silk, this is the Stone Point poncho, and this uses roughly 4 balls of the summer silk, about 960 yards here. So let me scoot back so you can see all that. So this is a nice lacework poncho with a kind of cowl neck to it. It's very, very lightweight. This would be great for our famous Colorado summers where it's hot during the day but can get a little chilly at night. So for today only, our Santa special is the summer silk, and it is 40% off for the next 24 hours using the code that in the email or in the comments on Facebook, online or in person. So thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you on our next edition of Making for the Holidays for our 12 Days of Making.